All right, so here we are at our course page. You should have clicked on your course and you will get to Foundations of Engineering and Technology. So we are scrolling down, and right here you can see your classroom bulletin board. You would click here to get to your email, to check your email if you don't know how. This is where everyone says that they can't find it, but the handbook acknowledgement form is located right here. You click on it, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and download it right here. Okay, you click that button and it will download for you. All right, here you're going to find my teacher information. It says 4:30 to 8, but 5 o'clock is probably more likely to be a better time to reach me. Another form that you need to have signed by your parent or guardian is the Autodesk Fusion consent form. So you want to make sure that you click on that to get that document. And remember, you're signing up for the free version, and I sent information about that to you already. 18-week, it can be found in your, it can also be found in your syllabus. So the 18-week, you click on whichever syllabi over here in the widget that for the course that you're in, and here's the acknowledgement form again. The student success site, if you click on it, well, I have to sign in again because I'm signed in with a different email, but I'll show you at the top. Synchronous classroom, you click here. You have to be signed into your Georgia Virtual School email, not your school email, to access the student success site. That's what happened to me just now. All right, assignments that are due, any announcements, like when live sessions are, if there's information. Let's see what all we have here. These are, you can click that button to see all of them. And right now you just have 2 posts in, I just have 2 posts in there. Let me go back to the home page. Anytime you want to go back to the home page, you just click that at the top. If you scroll down on the right side, you can also see where it says user links. Here you're going to find recordings. And right now we're not able to put our Jigsaw recordings because Jigsaw's not recording. So we're doing screencasts. And that's what this is where you will find those links. So let's go back up to the top. You're asking yourself, where do I start? Okay, so you're going to want to go to the checklist. In this checklist, you're going to see all the assignments that are going to be completed in this course. As you can see, for the introduction, you were supposed to do the introduction discussion and 2 replies. Then you go to your CTAE here, and you can scroll down and see all the assignments and quizzes and tests that you're going to have to take. I would recommend printing that out, or so that you can check it off, or just check it off each time you complete an assignment. So we're going to go to the content. Now, I can tell you right now, if you're not on Firefox, this is what's going to happen to you. You're not going to be able to see everything. Many of you have had difficulties. See, it won't let me do anything. Many of you have had difficulties with this because you're not using Firefox. Make sure that you're using Firefox so that you get to see all the material. Videos won't work either in Google. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And here I am. Communication in the workplace. It all is set up the same way. Quick glance, explore, challenge, and takeaway. So we click on quick glance. Scroll down and click next. And there you go. Listening, following directions is right there.
Workplace.
Okay.
Today's lecture is titled Listening and Following Directions.
All right. I'm going to move on to the Explore. Here you're delving deeper. You get some practice. Then you move on to the challenge. This is like your review. Okay. And then the takeaway. So that you get a little bit. All right. So I'm going to go to the next thing, if I click that arrow at the top, it takes me to the next thing, and that is to do my cell phone email use policy assignment. If I click here again, now it's the productivity and organization. So it's going to keep going and going and going. You get through the entire module, and eventually you will get to the quiz. You have assignments. Have the similar names, but they're not the same. Anyway. So you're going to click on each category, complete all the assignments. Okay. So that's how do you get your content. All right. If you go over here to assessments, if you just want to go to discussions and complete the discussion post, you go over here, and here you go. And you just click on the one that you want to apply to. You have to respond. You post your post, and then you have to reply to 2 peers for each discussion. Each peer reply is 25%, and 50% of your grade is your initial post. All right. Here is what you're going to submit. Let's say I want to submit my job application. So I click on application in Dropbox, scroll down, click add a file, and then I'm going to pick it from wherever it is, and then I will submit. Okay. If you want to take a quiz, you go here to quizzes. If you want to do your grade, to check your grade, you click on this button. Then you go to resources. The student handbook located here. The student success sites can be located here. Links also be accessed here. And then here is where you go for help with Brightspace. So that is the gist of Brightspace. Remember, if you have any questions or issues, to contact me. Try email first, and then, but if it's urgent, you can contact me at 678-680-0042. I think. I'm sorry. 678-680-8842. I apologize for that.